In a golden light a bird took flight, soaring through the sky. Oh, what a sight! It found worms with a peck and a cheer, filled its tummy, no trace of fear. With each meal its energy grew, feathers shimmered in a colorful hue, chirping happily, spreading delight, bringing happiness day and night. Then, sitting on a tree's strong limb, the bird felt sad, its outlook grim. The night descends, it pondered low. I flew and fed as daylight did glow. How can I reach my cozy nest? Darkness engulfs, I'm not at my best. Hearing the bird's woeful cry, a glowworm nearby caught its eye. Fear not, dear bird, I'm here to aid. Though small, I'm willing to lend my aid. Though the night is dark and deep, I'll illuminate your path, don't you weep. God has blessed me with a shining light to guide you through the darkest night. Those who serve with hearts sincere are the ones who bring goodness near. The end.